Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Particle motion problems are easy if you know the secret. We need to find where speed increases by checking the signs of velocity and acceleration.
First, remember that speed increases only when velocity and acceleration share the same sign. We must find the zeros for both functions to see where they are positive or negative together.
Next, solve for when velocity equals 0 using your calculator. You will find that the velocity changes signs at approximately 0.318 and 2.921. Finally, acceleration is 0 at 1.612. Comparing intervals shows both are positive or negative in the ranges for option D. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given functions to find the correct intervals for D.